As announced earlier, the United Forum of Bank Unions, UFBU, an umbrella body of bank unions, have called for a two-day strike from December 16 to 17 against privatization of the banks. The two-day strike from December 16-17 announced by the unions in the banking sector stands as there was no assurance given on deferring the introduction of Banking Laws Amendment Bill 2021 in the Parliament, said a bank official in Agartala. Union leader Sanjay Datta said UFBU opposes bank privatization bill, which is likely to be introduced in the upcoming winter session starting from Monday, and their strike across the state is total, and hundreds of bank employees, including officers, joined the strike to protect the nationalized banks. UFBU leader Datta further said that the government wants to pass the banking reforms bill in the current session of Parliament, paving the way for privatization. He added that the United Forum are holding a sit-in protest against this bill as a part of the movement from last week, and during two-day nationwide strike will also held demonstration in front of some bank branches across the state protesting against the bill. Datta added that bank unions always support policies related to economic development of the country along with employee and friendly banking policies, but union will not allow the government to privatize the nationalized banks where deposit of about 120 crore Indian are in safe hands. He said a notice related to the strike has been given by the United Forum to the Indian Banks Association.
আমরা ইউনাইটেড ফোরাম অফ ব্যাংকস ইউনিয়নটাকে আজকে 16 ডিসেম্বর এবং আগামীকালকে 17 ডিসেম্বর রাষ্ট্রায়ত্ত ব্যাংকে বেসরকারীকরণের প্রতিবাদে এবং ব্যাংকিং যে রেগুলেশন অ্যাক্ট তার অ্যামেন্ডমেন্ট বিল 2021 এবার শীতকালীন অধিবেশনে আনার চেষ্টা করছে কেন্দ্রীয় সরকার, তার প্রতিবাদে আমাদের আজকে এবং কালকে দুদিনে ব্যাংক ধর্মঘট। আমরা কোনো মূল্যেই রাষ্ট্রায়ত্ত ব্যাংকে কর্পোরেটের মালিকানা অথবা বেসরকারি হতে দেব না। 1969 সাল থেকে আজকে 2021 এই 52 বছর ধরে রাষ্ট্রায়ত্ত ব্যাংক দেশের আর্থসামাজিক উন্নয়নে, দেশের কৃষিক্ষেত্রের উন্নয়নের জন্য, দেশের শিল্পের উন্নয়নের জন্য সামগ্রিকভাবে নতুন দেশ গড়ার লক্ষ্যে রাষ্ট্রায়ত্ত ব্যাংকের আধিকারিকরা কর্মীরা যেভাবে কাজ করছে সেই
The adjourned conciliation meeting called by the Additional Chief Labour Commissioner was held on last Tuesday between the bank unions, Indian Bank Association and the government in Delhi. But the government representatives and IBA could not give any assurance on deferring the introduction of the bill in the Parliament. Hence the strike commenced from December 16 and 17 stands. The agitators said that no doubt during two-day strike the customers will suffer, but the strike has been called to protect the interest of crores of customers, not for hiking any pay structure of bank employees. Mentioning a huge non-performing assets, NPA Bank Union leaders say that about 83% of total NPA of nationalized banks are lying in big corporate houses of the country, and only 17% NPA lies for poor farmers and other general customers of the country. So far, government does not take any step to return bank NPA amount from big corporate to protect the interest of the nationalized bank. Further, since the nationalized of banks from the year 1969, the nationalized banks from their 5,000 branches expanded the banking network in all parts of the country through 1,17,000 branches in last 51 years. They reiterated that the bank unions are against the privatization of government-owned banks and will maintain their strike call despite cut of their 2 days of salaries. Bureau Report, Halabol.